ElevenLabs costs $5 per month. And if you get the free option, you get just 10 minutes of high quality text to speech per month, which is absolutely nothing. If you're paying $5, you get up to 30 minutes per month, which is still nothing. And if you're paying $11, you get up to 100 minutes, which is still absolutely expensive. But what if I told you there's a free option? And that's it. It's simply Google AI Studio. You may not have known this. You may have known Google AI Studio for other AI functionality, but it also has a solid text-to-speech functionality, which is absolutely free for every account in every country. Simply come to your Google AI Studio dashboard and click on Playground. And then you're going to see a number of features here, functionality here. Our interest today is on audio. Now you can go live, you can go to images, you can go to video, where you're going to see VO2, VO3 if you have a paid account. Go to audio, and here you're going to see Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview TTS, Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview TTS. Let's use this one. Now, here we can see that this is a text-to-speech tool, which is absolutely free. You can either do multi-speaker audio or single-speaker audio. Now, our interest is multi-speaker audio, single-speaker audio rather. Multi-speaker audio is for those who want to create dialogues between characters. Let's say for a video where there are two characters talking. So let's go to single-speaker audio. Here you can change the voice to maybe Puck or Sharon or whoever. I'll just change this to, let's say, Puck. And then I'm going to come to ChatGPT or Gemini, and I'm going to say, generate a brief text about sunflowers. That's just very random. So it's gone ahead and generated that. I'll copy that. And I'll paste this here. All right. So you see, it says disclaimer, read fast, all of that. I'll just leave all of that the way it is, and I'll click on run. It's going to take a little bit of time to do its thing. I'll pause and get back to you. Now it has gone ahead and done its thing. I'll just play this, you can hear.
Yellow flower heads.
I'll start from the beginning.
Sunflowers are famous for their large, bright yellow flower heads that strikingly resemble the sun. They're renowned for their heliotropism. The young flowers track the sun across the sky from east to west. A single flower head is actually made up of thousands of tiny florets, which mature into the edible seeds highly valued for oil and snacking. Symbolizing adoration, longevity, and happiness, these cheerful giants bring beauty and bounty wherever they grow.
You can see that is simply amazing. So you can just right click here, click on the right here, and then you can download that. It's downloaded to your computer and you can use it for whatever purpose you desire. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. Peace.